Hi, Glass. How you doing? My name's John. Nice to meet you. And I'm preparing to drop some knowledge on you. Did you know that the 12 cranial nerves are like our brain's own highway system? It's important for us humans because it allows us to smell things, taste things, and many other capabilities. Have you ever seen the movie Inside Out? If you have, you know there's like a control system in our main character's brain that is made up of humanoid creatures that controls the main character's emotions. This essentially is what cranial nerves do. Except instead of a emotion sense, it's more of a senses sense and motor function sense. Although it is often overlooked, these 12 cranial nerves play a large role in our day to day life. As a pursuing nurse, just last semester I learned about this by Dr. James Brady, which was my professor. He teaches at both CCP and Holy Family. We learned in a book called Human Anatomy and Physiology, which was made by Catherine C. Whitman, who has her bachelor's in biology and even her doctorate in zoology. And lastly, I used a YouTube video made by Ninja Nerds, made by a professor named Zach Murphy, who has his bachelor's in biology as well. Now, I'll be going over many things, the location, the definitions, what they do. So, first question you may ask is, what are cranial nerves? So, cranial nerves are broken into two different categories, I guess you can say. You have sensory nerves and motor nerves. Sensory nerves are cranial nerves that sends uh, nerve signals to your senses to allow you to smell, it allows you to hear, it allows you to taste, etc. And motor nerves send signals to your muscles and your glands that allow you to perform certain acts like talk, taste, all that good stuff. Now, next I'll be showing you. I have a nice little picture here. It is an interior view of the brain, and I'll be showing you the location of each one and if they're sensory or motor, or even both, and what they do. So our first nerve here is our olfactory nerve. It is, excuse me, it is right at the top. This is specifically a sensory nerve, and it controls our sense of smell. Our next nerve is our optic nerve, which is also another sensory nerve, and it controls the retina. As you could tell with a lot of these nerves, you can kind of tell off the name, but not necessarily. Our next nerve is our ocular motor nerve. This is our first motor nerve and it controls eye movement. Our fourth nerve is our trochlear nerve. It is our second motor nerve and it controls specifically the down eye movement. So when you look down, our fifth nerve is the trigeminal nerve. This is going to be the largest cranial nerve of all the cranial nerves. And one thing that's different from the other ones is that our trigeminal nerve is both a sensory and motor function nerve. So it controls the senses and the motors. It allows for us to chew food. It provides sensation. It does a lot, and it's located right under the optic nerve, a little bit diagonally under the optic nerve. Our sixth nerve is our abducens nerve. This is a motor nerve, and it controls specifically lateral eye movement. And this is what I'm talking about with the cranial nerves, how complex it is, because even though there's multiple nerves that control the eye, you would think, okay, there's probably one nerve that controls up, down, left, right. No, there's multiple nerves, and it's not just one that could control all. It shows how complex and how crucial it is to us as humans. All right, seventh nerve is our facial nerve, and it provides facial and saliva expression. This is both a motor and sensory nerve. Our eighth nerve is our vestibulocochlear nerve, and it allows for balance and spatial awareness. This is a sensory nerve. Our ninth nerve is our glossopharyngeal nerve. It allows for saliva production, blood pressure, and it helps taste as well. This is both a sensory and motor nerve as well. Our tenth nerve is our vagus nerve. It allows for digestion in your stomach, and this is indeed a sensory and motor nerve as well. Our last two nerves will be motor nerves. You have the accessory nerve down here, and it allows for Well, the accessory nerve goes by two different names. It has an accessory nerve and spinal accessory. They're interchangeable. You can use it either way. It doesn't need a specific, but just in case if you search it up and you see, oh, it says spinal accessory, it doesn't matter how you say it. It's does the same thing. But it moves your spine, your shoulder, your neck movement. It's very important. Now our last nerve, our 12th nerve is our hypoglossal nerve. It is a motor nerve. It allows for tongue movement. It's the reason I can talk to you right now and deliver the speech. So basically, these are the 12 nerves summed up within 7 minutes. And I just wanted to speak on this because I feel like it's really overlooked and it's important for us humans to know this. And even bless you with some knowledge, gives you something that you didn't know before. Yeah, thank you.